is Naomi. I'm 12 years old. I'm in Kianda school. I'm going to be doing a painting based on the environment. This painting is a well preserved forest. It has some trees, a couple of animals. I used a canvas and acrylic paints. So I'm going to be starting my painting. Little blue. It doesn't matter on the color, on the type of blue you use. I've mixed blue, red and yellow ochre to make kinda like a dark shade for the background of the trees. So I just do random strokes. I'm going to tap on the canvas, try to make the shape of a tree. So using a palette knife, I'm going to make branches. So I'm using a palette knife to highlight the grass. So I'm now doing the swans in the pond. I'm using plain white for the body. This is my finished product on our canvas, and I hope you like it.